Because.
Do I need to go in it again?
If you want to.
What if it has herpes in it?
It doesn't.
What, you don't think that your cone would remain faithful to you?
No, it's already ripped in bad places.
We found Kara's cone.
Because I think I'm invading virgin territory.
Whatever.
What's up there?
Oh, a gym.
Oh, fun.
Yes!
It's the best thing in the world. Don't kill yourself.
I don't like it in here.
My turn. My turn. Someone hold my stuff.
Who's the shortest person here?
I am.
You go in and I want to see if you'll fit.
I don't. It's gonna cover.
Woo! Yeah. Woo! Getting sexy. Oh, there's a wall.
I don't want to go in the cone. Lauren, out of the cone.
Oh my god. I just had sex with a wall. Is he really? Yeah, he's right there.
There you go.
Thank you.
I go in, I dare you.
Oh, my head hurts.
Juliet, I dare you to go in.
Go. Do it. I don't want to go in.
Please.
Just for a second.
Do it.
Dirty.
I just want to see how far it goes.
It just gave birth to you. It just gave birth to you.
Back in the corner you go. Unless you're going in it too.
Not going in that ever again.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes.
You need a hug?
Head.
Aww.
Hit my head. Nice.
This job, it like ate you alive.
Alright.